Hi, so today we're looking at question 1480, which is running sum of 1D array. Given an array, you want to return an array that has the sum of all the previous elements seen. So for example, if we look at the first one, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the array you're returning is 1, 3, 6, and 10. We have 1 right here because there's no previous element to that. We have 2 here in the input array, we have 3 in the output array, which is the sum of 2 and 1. And then when we see 6, it's just the sum of 1, 2, and 3. And then we have 4 right here, and then we see 10, which is the sum of all of the elements previously seen. So the approach that we'll be taking today is just adding the previous element in the array and returning the original array as is, and you'll see what I mean in a second. So first what we'll do is we will take the length of the array, dot length, and then for int I is equal to 1, I less than n, increment I. The only thing that you would do is you would say nums of I plus equals nums of I minus 1. And you would return the array itself. So you submit that. So the reason why that works is because you're taking the previous elements and you're storing it in place. So whenever you have 3 here, so this is, let's just look at a quick example. So if we have a 1, 2, 3, and 4, in the first iteration, your array would look like this, right? Because we are manipulating the values of the same array, and we have 1, and we're not really going over the first index, so it stays as is. And then when you come to 2, you're just adding the previous element, so this becomes 3. And then in the third iteration, you come here and you're saying, hey, like just add the previous element right here, so that becomes 6. So basically, the previous element that you have access to already has the sum of all the elements that you have seen previously. Thereby, you don't have to create a new array to store all of the values, and you don't have to iterate through all of the whole array again. So that's the solution. Let me know if you have any questions. If there are any problems that you want me to solve, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.